Hello everyone, welcome back to Fura's kitchen. Thank you for turning up. Today we're going to make kaimati. So for this we're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and then I'll add 1 tablespoon of yeast. Yeah, and then I will add vanilla for some flavor. You can use cardamom powder if you don't have vanilla, and then you give that a good mix. I use the whisk. Yeah, you give that a good mix, and then I added 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and then I used milk in this. So I added milk. I used 1 cup. Yeah, you can add in bit by bit until you achieve your desired consistency, as you'll see in the video, the consistency that you should have. So I'll keep on whisking this until no lumps left. We want our mixture to be smooth. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for sharing, for commenting, for liking my videos. Thank you so much. Goes a long way. Yeah, road to 500, guys. Let's subscribe. So I'll continue mixing this. Yeah, I'll continue mixing until, yeah, you see the consistency. Yeah, not too heavy and not too light. Yeah, not too heavy. So I'll let it rest as usual for like 30 minutes. For me, I extended because I had other things to do. So 30 minutes is enough if your yeast is good enough. So I will start frying my kaimati in my hot oil. Forgive my camera angle, guys. Yeah, but I'll show you how you make those balls using your hand. Yeah, yeah, like so, yeah, like so, and then yeah, and then you fry them in medium heat or jiko. Yeah, your oil shouldn't be too hot. Yeah, your kaimati will not cook well inside if your oil is too hot. Yeah, yeah, so you pick and then yeah, like so. I hope you can see. And then after placing your kaimati in oil, make sure you keep on turning them. Yeah, don't leave them, yeah, to cook like mahamri on one side. No, keep on turning them so that they cook evenly on both sides. Yeah, because you can see the shapes around, so it's tricky for them to cook evenly if you don't turn them. Keep on turning them, keep on turning them, yeah, until both sides are cooked. Yeah, keep on turning them. Kaimati are so, I love them. Yeah, I love them with tea. Yeah, they're very good snacks. So we have 2 types. We have these ones that have sugar on the inside, and then we have the sugar coated ones. Yeah, I prefer these ones than the sugar coated ones. Yeah, like so. So this is how you make your ball. Yeah, like so. I hope you can see. I hope you can see. This is how you make your ball with your hands. Some wet the hands with water so that they can do this seamlessly, or they wet the hands with water and oil. Yeah, mixture of water and oil so that they can do the shape seamlessly. Yeah, so you keep on turning them, guys, until they're both side cooked. Yeah, I hope you will try this and then let me know how it turns out. Yeah, yeah, like so. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate all your support. Yeah, I appreciate so much. Yeah, as you can see, guys, I'm turning. I keep on turning them. Yeah, don't rest your hand. Keep on turning them so that they cook evenly on both sides. Yeah, and also my oil is not too hot. Yeah, I use medium heat. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you next time. Thank you. Bye. God bless you.